My name is Chris with LobbyBox, and today I'm going to go over how to add a building to your company admin dashboard. So once you log in, you actually come down here, click on buildings, and it actually take you to this page. This page will show you a list of all the buildings that you have created for your company. As you can see, we currently have one building for ours, which is called HQ. So from here, I'm just going to add an additional building. So once you come to the add buildings page, it's going to show you need to put in the name, state, city, zip, and the address of the location that you're trying to add. So I'm going to add another one here, which I am going to call HQ Parking Garage, and populate it with the information that I already had available to me. So from here, I just click on save, and it's going to create our building to our buildings list and redirect us back to our list page. So if you need to make any edits to the building that you created, you just click on the name of it, and you can make any edits here. So I just change this, oops, sorry, and click on save, and it actually save that information for us. If you need to delete it, click the checkbox next to it, and then you click the trash can icon on the far right side. All right, that concludes this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.